Leaders, citizens and institutions alike to work together to accelerate socio-economic development, combat inequality, and ensure that no one is left behind. We are called upon to invest in people, improve infrastructure, grow the economy, create employment, and protect the vulnerable. As your new governor, our administration here will be committed to aligning regional programs with national priorities, ensuring that every initiative we undertake is people-centered and aimed at delivering results. We should aim to strengthen public service systems and hold ourselves accountable for the outcomes. But development alone cannot and will not be achieved in isolation. That is why today's meeting is important. We are here to reaffirm our commitment to partnerships, to dialogue, and to inclusive governance. Whether you are a traditional leader, a farmer, a business owner, a faith-based organization, a youth or women's group, or a development partner, your voice and your contribution are vital. We will foster a culture of consultation, collaboration, and respect. My office doors will remain open to all stakeholders in order to support and accelerate socio-economic development programs. Because the success of this region will be measured not only by the project we complete, but very importantly, by the trust we build and the unity we maintain. Therefore, I call upon all of you, every stakeholder in Oshana, to walk this journey with me. Let us not be divided by differences. Let us rather be united by a shared vision, a prosperous, peaceful, and inclusive Oshana where every resident has access to opportunity and dignity. In conclusion, I invite all to continue collaborating with